How's it going, guys? Happy Sunday. I have 2020 Bowman Chrome to show you guys today. So out of all the Topps regular line of products every year, this is a product that I'm looking forward to every year, since this product has a lot of prospects and their first Bowman cars. My advice for you guys is that if you get a first Bowman card, just make sure that you kind of keep it in a safe place, because a lot of prospects, they don't really actually played until maybe years later. So it's always a good idea to keep them safe. This came out 2 days ago on Friday, and cost me about $250. Around there. I haven't checked if the price increases or not. But this is what they call a master box. It's got two mini boxes inside. We got Luis Robert and Jordan Alvarez on the front there. This has 5 cars per pack. Like I said, 2 mini boxes, and each mini box has 6 packs, and each pack has 5 cars. So we're looking at a total of 60 cars. Did I do the math right? Yep, that sounds right. 60 cars in here. And let's just open the master box, and I think the odds informations are on each mini box. Alright, nothing inside. So here's the odds information for those who are interested. And no purchase necessary information. Let's go for the first one. Oh, by the way, I got my, I don't know if you guys remember, when I did the Stadium Club Hobby Box opening, I pulled a redemption. So to my surprise, they actually sent it pretty early. I thought Topps was going to take months to send out the redemptions, but it was relatively quick to get this car. So Kyle Hendrick autograph, a very nice car there. I think Cubs are playing this afternoon, and Yu Darvish is I think pitching. So good luck to them. All right. All right, let's go right into it. First pack. Arenado, Yu Chang, a player from Taiwan. Very nice. Herrera from Arizona League. Nice insert. McKenzie and Stephenson. Alright, second pack. We got Mookie Betts, Clevenger, Antonio Cabello from Yankees. What's it called? Stat Tracker, 106 miles per hour exit velocity. Nice insert there. Rutherford and Perdomo. Jacob deGrom, Juan Soto, Alzole, numbered. It's number 189 out of 499. Very nice, rookie. Alzole. Let's put him on the holder there. Marsh and Brett Betty. Mercado, Matt Chapman. All right, our first autograph. Thad Ward, 87 out of 99. It's a green parallel. Very nice. First autograph. Paulson and Patino. Snell, Kikuchi, and we got Daniel Espino. Stat tracker 12.11, strikeout to walk ratio. Very nice. Montero and Woods Richardson. Alright, last pack in this mini box. Rendon, Lindor, Dawn of Glory Padres, and this is Isaac Paredes. Very nice. And Denver Floro. So that was our first mini box. Go right into the second one. First pack of the second mini box, we got again Alzole. We got the the variant and the regular version. Very nice. Kluber, Matijevic, I think that's how you say it. Arizona League, and Casas, Bowman, Brackman, Chris Bryan, Alec Manoa, 0.905 walks per hits per inning pitch. Kowar, Lutz, Barrios, John Means. And we got Keegan Akin, 465 out of 499. Very nice. So, don't know too much about this guy here, but it's a nice looking card. And we have Moniak, Carlson, Reynolds, and Logan Allen, rookie. Alright, second signature or autograph, Riley Green. Very nice. Got another one here. This right here. And Garcia and Sam Hoff. Second to the last pack here. Nico Horner, very nice. 2 go, rookie, very nice. Always good to get rookie cards. On base percentage, 0.556. Anthony Volpe, Nova, Castellani. Last pack, guys. Last pack. Alright, Akiyama, Bias. Ooh, look at this one here. Ethan Hearn. It's a very nice refractor here. And I dropped it. Here we go. Very nice. Very shimmery refractor. Very nice. Walker and Pache. Alright. So just kind of go over really quickly all the rookie cards that I got. Tutsugo, Nico Horner, Logan Allen, Alzole, Yu Chang there. And then also I got this out of 499 car there. The two autographs that we got were Riley Green and Thad Ward. Very nice looking cars. Keegan Atkins, also 490 out of 499. And then I got this, not sure how do you call this refractor, but very shimmery refractor here. Very nice. Overall, like I said, these cars are to be kept for a long time because a lot of them, they go up in value, especially the first Bowman car. I don't think I got any first Bowman car in this box. I guess they don't have first Bowman car. I guess there's only regular Bowman that has first Bowman cars. So all right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please follow my channel, subscribe to my channel. I put out at least one video per week. And until next time, have a good one, guys.